Yesterday I tried to record with the GoPro, with the camera, with the sound system, with the mic. And again, it bogged down on me. It let me go. It's just fucking tragic. It is. It's the 6 millionth time I try to work it out with the microphone. And every goddamn time when I hit record, it doesn't record the audio. And I've done everything the internet says, and I'm really doing everything. I changed the mic, I've changed the setting. God damn it. So yeah, now this is the millionth attempt trying to rectify this fucking shit. I would like to try to welcome you to my new bike. This is my new bike. It's an Aprilia RSV Mille from 2001. It has a V-twin Rotax engine. Built by Austrian. What the hell are you doing? Built by some Austrian blokes, Rotax. If you really took it into low revs, railroads, really kind of lumpy, so don't expect too much of it in a low RPM. But still, once you get past that border of Humpty Dumpty revs, like low, it is pulling hard, pulling your pants down. I suck it dry. It does. Come on, move! I cannot use it. Oh, this is really annoying. Why get off the left lane, you fan? Oh, thank you. Now it does. Oh, there's a traffic light. I need to wait. Well, it is thirsty as fuck. If you really put some effort into going fast, it is very thirsty. I don't know in U.S. gallons how many miles it can go, but I go. I did like 13 kilometers a liter, which isn't bad, but isn't great. So that's actually half decent, if you put it that way. I mean, I've seen Honda Vita or Firestorms who had worse days. So anyway, I am going to get a new sprocket in the front, which is lighter. It's 15 instead of 17 it's on right now. So hopefully I can rectify the highways. So I really want to use the 5th and 6th gear. I like it when it's 4th. Don't get me wrong. I don't really mind, but I bought a motorcycle to use everything, and I hate it when I can utilize 2 fucking gears. It's pretty much, yeah. And also, in city centers, I want to be able to get out a second, or in properties, you're only allowed to go 30 kilometers an hour. I really want to go into second when I go 30. Oh, I got no traffic light with me. They're all against me. Stupid traffic lights. Alright, well, just want to say, I'm here to end my vlog. Well, my name's been Vlogge Harry, so I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.